I would like to introduce our latest technology of CMM. We have what we are showcased today actually is a global S-Chrome 9158 from Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence. This CMM is the fastest speed CMM that we ever produced. So the acceleration speed for this is 1,500 mm per second, and we have 510 millimeter speed per second. And for the machine is equipped with a probe head with a 2.5 degree indexing angle, and the machine is also able to do scanning function and also touch triggering. So this machine is the latest that we have showcasing for this event. So in fact, we have received a lot of good response in METALTECH for this machine, which is having the latest state-to-the-art of technology for today.
Hello, QDAS is a process control software. Okay, so using QDAS, we can collect data real time from all your quality or metrology equipment. Okay, so we can collect data from CMM, even can collect data from the manual gauge like this, and we can submit the data to the central database, and we do the data analysis. We can see the process report, CPK, and also we can see all kinds of quality control charts. Okay, and finally we can form the so-called closed loop feedback the quality results, quality status to directly to the production, to the shop floor. So all the production can understand the machine status real time.
Hello, so this is our smart scan. We have two configuration of smart scan, which is 5 megapixel and also 8 megapixel system. As you can see, the system have 2 cameras and 1 projector, and for this system we use blue light which project fringes to the part. And as you can see, we can rotate the part 360 degree and the pictures we start to collect snaps of point clouds all around the part, and from there we create point clouds that which you can use for measurement and also reverse engineering. So we have 2 configuration again, a monochrome and also a color camera that can be attached together with the system. It is very good for metrology, heritage usage, and also we can use on both industry, automotive, aerospace, and also oil and gas.
We have been supporting METALTECH since our establishment in 2007, meaning this is 2019, about 12 years already. We receive good inquiries. For the past, for example, there are customers that even they don't make a decision on spot, but this event creates an opportunity for us to showcase our latest technology, where this customer does come back to us whenever we have a sales approach, and they will remember us during this event. Then of course they can become our customer by purchasing our machine then. For this METALTECH 2019, we found out that this new place, MITEC, is such a nice place with a nice environment and with a very big area. So this is we found out that it is very convenient also in terms of parking for our visitors. We have ample of space to park, and then so that we can inviting more customers coming here. Yes, we are looking forward to join on the next METALTECH. We have been supporting METALTECH for the past 12 years.